Cloud, he wanted to see that whether I'll be able to migrate the application or not. So their main purpose was the migration one. So they wanted to ask me about different migration processes involved. So first he asked me about the fault tolerance, and then he asked about again what are the services which I have used in the AWS, whether I'll be able to handle the cost management, budgeting, and all and not. So he wanted to see that he asked me like, if your company has multiple AWS accounts and each team needs to create an S3 bucket with the same security policies, so how can you avoid repeating the Terraform code? So it was a bit of a mixture of AWS and Terraform. So it was a nice question. I really like the question, and I have to explain it in the scenario based only, like from my prior experience, that what exactly I have done in my previous project. So I explained it accordingly. And then also he was he was focusing on the fault tolerance, because he wanted to see that whether I have the knowledge of AZs and the regions or not, whether I'll be able to handle the scaling, like vertical or horizontal scaling. So his questions were around that also, like when will I use the vertical scaling and when will I use the horizontal scaling. So I had to, like, obviously I had to, what happens that we have to make a story, like before all this we have to have something in our mind and prepare. I'm saying this, prepare 5-6 stories so that you can revolve around those stories if you have scenario based questions. And you must answer in the star method, like that is a must, because if you have to put your thought, then obviously you have to have stories and star method and everything in your head, because it's a very long interview, like 1 hour is not less. Sometimes what happens, if they want to like deep dive, so they exceed the time as well, more than 1 hour they do.